Hey, what up everyone? Every now and then, I always have someone asking about what extensions I use for Visual Studio Code, and I had a look at what I use and realized I actually don't use many extensions at all. But there is this one extension that I've been using for a couple years now that I always take for granted, and it's called Bracket Pair Colorizer, which, as the name suggests, it gives colors to the brackets so that you can easily see which bracket it pairs up with. But just before I show you that one, if you first download Visual Studio Code, you can change these colors if you didn't already know. And I don't know if anyone actually uses like white. It's probably like so bad for your eyes. I know I can't, but I always use a dark theme. And some of these ones, like the widgets and the texts, can have colors on it. So the one I always use is the default dark one, but then I want these brackets to have colors. So this is what it looks like normally, and if you download this extension called Bracket Pair Colorizer and I enable it, what it does is it adds colors. So before, these brackets were just gray, but now I can easily see, oh, this yellow one pairs up with that, and I can just put a comma here to separate it out. So when you have a bunch of code, it's so helpful to have colors to differentiate the two. So again, if I just show you without it, not having any colors on these brackets doesn't seem like a big deal, but for me it's a big deal, and it's been helping me so much without even me knowing. Just looking at this right now, like after turning it off, yeah, I can't code like this. I need this bracket pair colorizer. But yeah, other than that, I don't actually use many extensions at all. So if you guys have any good extensions to recommend me that is going to help with the coding process, then I'd appreciate it. But yeah, for me, this bracket pair colorizer, underrated. But other than that, I'm going to get back to the lab and code the next UI for some other social media company. I'm thinking maybe Facebook, or maybe like the YouTube UI for the mobile app. And I'm also thinking of starting a new series to just go through each widget from Flutter, kind of like how they do in the official Flutter page, their widget of the week playlist. I might just go through that and dedicate a video for each widget, because a lot of people ask me where I learned Flutter from, and it's mainly from these widgets, from these widget of the week videos. So I'm gonna make my own version of them to help you guys out. So let me know if that's something that sounds interesting to you, and be on the lookout for it on this channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Latest.